Lesson 2, Holiday and Travel. Here are the vocabulary words. Beach holiday, beach holiday. City break, city break. Adventure holiday, adventure holiday. Cultural tour, cultural tour. Safari, safari. Ski trip, ski trip. Backpacking, backpacking. Family vacation, family vacation. Transportation vocabulary. Airplane, airplane. Train, train. Cruise ship, cruise ship. Car, car. Taxi, cab, taxi, cab. Sleeper bus, sleeper bus. Bicycle, bicycle. On foot or walk, on foot or walk. Accommodation vocabulary. Hotel, hotel. Hostel, hostel. Camping, camping. Resort, resort. Bed and breakfast, bed and breakfast. Apartment, apartment. Guest house, guest house. Activity vocabulary. Sightseeing, sightseeing. Sunbathing, sunbathing. Swimming, swimming. Hiking, hiking. Shopping, shopping. Taking photos, taking photos. Guided tour, guided tour. Trying local food, trying local food. That's it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.